Every year, over 300,000 tons of oyster shells accumulate along Korea's coastlines. Unwanted, unprocessed, treated as nothing more than waste. But what if that waste was never waste at all? Meet EcoShell, the company turning one of Korea's most overlooked environmental problems into one of its most promising industrial opportunities. What is EcoShell? Oyster shells are more than 90% calcium carbonate, one of the most widely used industrial minerals on the planet. For centuries, it's been quarried from the earth at enormous environmental cost. But here on Korea's southern coast, hundreds of thousands of tons of it arrive, for free, every single year. EcoShell doesn't mine the earth. EcoShell collects what the sea already provides. Where does it go? Calcium carbonate is in demand across virtually every major industry. In steel manufacturing, it refines molten metal and removes impurities. EcoShell's product has earned 100% biogenic carbon certification under international standards, opening the door to carbon credit recognition. In glass production, it's one of 3 essential raw ingredients, contributing durability and chemical stability to everything from food containers to industrial panels. In agriculture, it neutralizes acidic soil and supplies essential calcium to crops, enriched with trace marine minerals that conventional limestone simply doesn't carry. And in premium applications, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and food-grade products, high-purity calcium carbonate is a growing, high-margin frontier. The business model. EcoShell operates across 4 revenue streams, each reinforcing the others. Shell processing fees from municipalities and seafood processors mean the raw material doesn't cost a thing, it generates income. Industrial sales of calcium carbonate, priced 40 to 60% below mined limestone, offer buyers a clear cost advantage. Premium product development targets pharmaceutical and cosmetic grade markets at several times the price. And carbon credits, with Korea's first and only government-registered methodology for oyster shell carbon reduction. Every ton of carbon dioxide avoided can be sold in domestic and, eventually, international carbon markets. This is a model where the feedstock is not a cost. It's income. In an era of mandatory ESG disclosure and circular economy policy, EcoShell stands at a rare intersection: environmental solution, industrial supplier, and carbon finance opportunity. It doesn't ask industry to sacrifice efficiency for sustainability. It offers both. The future isn't just circular. It starts at the shoreline. EcoShell, from the sea to the future.